Alright, so we just finished the previous one. We went ahead and did this continuation box, as we're going to call it. And yeah, we threw out a fair number of wires, but there's some stuff that looks like it's going to be pretty expensive now. It's one of those things where I'm not sure who would buy it, but that's what eBay is for. So let's go ahead and open the second box. I'm hoping this angle of view works a little better. We'll see. I'm going to cut them off again. Whoa. Yeah.
There's an SSD.
Oh, really?
Yeah, there's a crucial SSD in box right there.
Cool. Alrighty.
Holy crap.
Okie dokie. We're going to move the video camera. Okay, change of view. I think this will work better for this type of box. Like I said in the previous video, this is not the typical. This is an unusual assortment of stuff. Alright, so throw the remotes in like a remote pile.
Oh, this is sealed.
Really?
Yeah. That's...
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, it is sealed.
So, 750 gigabyte... Yeah.
750 gig SSD.
That's
well, there we
good.
go. Okay, so this box was $56.49. So, well, a few months ago that would have paid for the entire box.
Yeah.
Now it pays for over half.
Yeah.
Something like that. Remote.
A metal bracket.
We're demonstrating metal brackets.
Yes.
I don't know. We'll have to look up.
It is some cool.
It has all the components again. Random plastic pieces. We'll toss that for now.
Really old Motorola phone.
8-channel current recorder. That looks expensive.
A power bank.
What is this? No clue. No clue what that is. A spring.
Oh, a power bank.
That's not a power
That
bank.
is, it's a 50,000 milliamp power bank.
No.
Yes, it says 50,000 milliamp. That we probably want to keep. That you probably keep.
50,000 milliamp power bank. It even has a 20 volt out. What? Okay, well. Okie dokie.
A pen.
We'll just throw all the electronic components over here where you can't see them. For prototyping.
4.4.
Corsair Link Digital?
I have no clue.
No clue.
Is it 4-port? 4-port USB 2.0 box.
Timer. What are you?
A laptop battery.
Okay, it's a breadboard, but it says it's also an oscilloscope, function generator, power supply. It has an open API for programming.
Oscilloscope? Isn't that expensive?
I would assume it's a digital oscilloscope and there's some software involved. That looks like that could be fun to play with.
I think this is sealed Dell ink.
Ooh.
Oh, a book light.
Okay, more electronic parts. I'm gonna pull all these out.
Oh, another 750 gigabyte Crucial SD that's sealed. Another one.
No.
Yeah, another sealed one.
Yay. See, this is why, after that radio control box that I talked about the last time, yeah, I buy these kind of weird things. It's a programmer of some type.
There's a bunch of Corsair power supply cables. Sorry.
I'll just keep pulling all the...
Oh, there's more stuff underneath. Oh. That's a squishy battery.
Okay.
Yeah, battery pile.
Yeah, okay. That'll work for now.
Is this... That's a broken... It's broken.
Yeah, that's trash. Zonaflow water valve. I would assume... Well, since I can't test it, I would assume it's trash. But we'll set it here for now.
Corsair computer fan.
Hey, do you need some cables for power supply?
Oh,
Power
that
supply?
goes into the power supply bag.
Oh, there's a power supply bag.
More power supply cables.
Do you need a Dell cover?
Oh.
It needs to be pulled out some so I can reach it. I don't know what these are.
Metal brackets.
But they're going into the metal scrap pile.
Whoa. That looks expensive.
That does not look expensive. Oh.
Chi ink.
Random power supply.
Ricky Smiley Eyewear. Ricky Smiley Eyewear.
Not my kind of thing.
Oh, where are we putting the components?
It's all over here, and these are all... They're all microcontrollers, I'm pretty sure.
Some weird rubber socket thing.
Mini 32, I would assume like an 18 mega kind of thing. I could be off on that. No clue what this is.
I got a Nikon battery charger.
We do a lot of cameras, so that will work.
Yep, with a battery in it too. Is that just a phone line?
I think this is a linear actuator.
Ooh.
Thompson. That's what it looks like.
Oh my.
Oh. Here we go. Oh. Device emulator, CRS LLC.
I think this is a network box.
No clue.
What is that?
That is a thing.
A thing.
It's water cooled, whatever it is.
I got another.
That's a really bright LED, I would assume. I don't know
Another.
if you're going to be able to see this. I would assume not. There's an LED mounted in there.
Corsair computer fan again.
Before somebody freaks out, now I'm not going to randomly power this thing up and blind myself or my family.
Well, you should.
Well, I mean, I'm saying I'm not going to.
This looks really
Thanks,
dangerous.
Oh, that looks fun. Oh, data acquisition module. Sweet. Those used to be a lot of money, but I'm also thinking back a number of decades.
Random component box. Jumper wire kit.
Oh,
Whoa.
boy. Don't mind me.
What are you doing?
It has the longest cord
Oh.
ever.
That's fair. Everything else is trapped around that one cord.
Yep. It's because the cord keeps going. Alright, so this is trash.
Whatever that is.
Recycle, whatever you want to call it.
Do we need this?
Wait. Oh, yeah, we'll keep that. That looks like an oddball.
Yep.
No idea what this is. I don't even know if the camera's going to get it. Here's
insignia.
Okay, and a couple of random power supplies. So
there's another weird.
Give us a minute to clean, and we'll come back to whatever these parts are over here on the side, and possibly open up the little super light. I'm calling it super light. Super death light. Okay, I haven't looked up much, but I did look up the microcontroller that I was talking about earlier. They're new. They are Mini 32 boards, MIK ROE 763 from Microelectronica. DigiKey is showing them at $29. So that's 29. This is 29, 29, 29, 29, 29, 29, 29, 29, 29. There's one on board, the programmer. We'll call that like 30. I'm sure the programmer costs more than that. So just with those, what was that, like 10 of them?
Yeah.
1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10, so that's, we'll call it $300. Well, that's not bad. For the
$50.
50? How was it 50?
50.
$56.49 that I paid for this. So I'm not gonna dig through the rest of this. Cool. We're gonna take that giant light apart.
Mm-hmm.
I may or may not film it being taken apart, probably not, because we want to know what's in it. We've spent a few minutes on top of the these $29 things that there's 10 of. This I'm having trouble finding. It's discontinued. It's the contact your sales agent kind of thing. I'm seeing everything from like $800 to $1,200 for this. I don't believe it's that much. I think that's something more advanced that's like screen or something. We'll go ahead and look it up. If I come up with a number, it'll have been on the screen. This is about 130, 150, somewhere around there. This that I was staring at earlier, and I'm not sure if I said anything about it, is a light bulb. I mean, okay, it's a little more than that. It's Advanced Illumination is the company, and these go for like $500, and I'll throw the proof on the screen
Don't
for you.
forget about the $1 too.
Oh, sorry, $501. Now that is for the red one, but I think the only difference between the red and the white is the actual case color. Yeah. Honestly, we've had some interesting ones in the past that the cell phone screen and digitizer replacements got like, what was it, 20? I think 20 in total,
Yeah.
and those were going for $90 a pop or so. So, interesting. We're going to take that thing apart and then come back. Alright, so we've unscrewed it. We have not opened it. You ready? Ready, 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 ready.
Whoa. That looks expensive.
Maybe it's not a laser.
You can take off the sides.
I can take off the sides?
Yeah, those should have been screwed. It looks...
Oh.
Oh yeah, you should just be able to lift that up.
So is it...
Hold on.
It's just an LED? I'm saying just, and... It's like a
Magnifying.
Thor Labs. Oh look, Thor Labs. It's like some magnifying, but this is supposed to be a fiber, and I don't see a fiber. I don't know what this... Linear actuator? Maybe? To change the distance?
Is it like some...
Oh, that'll come out, right?
Probably shouldn't do that.
Shh. Nah, it's not gonna go... Oh, will it? Will it? Will it? Will it? Will it? No, that's gonna get stuck. I mean, we're not putting it back together, right?
Unless we find out it's like $1,000.
I'm pretty sure this is a linear actuator to change the distance between this and the LED. I mean, obviously it's a prototyping tool or a testing device. Yeah, we're just going to say this is worth $87 billion.
Yes.
$87 billion.
We are billionaires now.
Yes, that's what that is.
We are...
So, so this is the second video that I plan on releasing as far as the opening of the boxes. I would say this is pretty good. No, it's not fake. No, I didn't pull random stuff. This is literally what was shipped. Cool. And honestly, we were really happy with the 2 SSDs.
Yeah. That are sealed.
So, cool. If you want to see more, it's certainly not going to be like this, because what are the odds this kind of thing happens again? Keep watching. That's where I throw in that whole like and subscribe thing. Am I pointing? Oh, watch and subscribe thing. And until next time, thanks for watching.
Bye.